In this video, I'm going to show you how to close all of your tabs in Safari on your iPhone. So let's go to Safari, and as you see, I just have a tab here open, but you want to close all of your tabs. So go to the tab icon at the bottom right-hand corner, and as you see, I have a ton of tabs here, and I just want to get rid of them. So you can go ahead and close a tab by hitting the X at the top right-hand corner of that tab, and as you see, they're just slowly disappearing. But if you want to get rid of them more in one shot, it's real easy to do. So go ahead to the three dots at the top left-hand corner, go ahead and hit select tabs, and now you can go through rather quickly and choose a bunch of tabs to close. So once you have the amount of tabs that you want to close, go ahead and hit the close option at the top left-hand corner, and it's going to ask you to confirm. It says close 7 tabs because I have 7 selected here. And then that's it. It's super simple and super easy to just go ahead and select a bunch of tabs at the same time and then go ahead and delete them all. So I'll just go ahead and delete these, go ahead and hit close at the top left-hand corner. And that's it. Now I don't have any tabs open on Safari. But that's it. Super simple and super easy.